Hello everybody. Today we are going to be answering a student question. And the student's question was, given this problem on my sample exam, is it possible to use my HP35 to compute the answer, which is standard deviation? So today I'm going to show you how I would approach this problem and walk you through step by step. First of all, let's clear our variables. So we're going to go blue, clear. We are not going to clear our programs. We are just going to clear the variables. And the variable here is this weird E symbol. So I'm going to press 4. Now our memory register is completely clear. Next, I'm going to load all 6 of these observations. So 45.5825. Now this is in degrees, minutes, seconds. But our computer here does not like doing math in DMS. It likes doing math in decimal degrees. So what do? Orange, 8 decimal degrees, hit the E plus button, saved as variable 1. Observation 2, convert to decimal degrees, observation 2. Observation 3, decimal degrees, observation stored. Observation 4, converted and stored. See how fast this goes? This is amazing. Observation 5, converted, stored. 5th observation. And our last one is going to be observation converted, observation stored. So we have all 6 of these decimal degrees sightings in there. And I know that because it says 6. Perfect. But how do we take this and do the math? Well, you're going to have to look on your calculator and find the symbol for standard deviation. Not seeing it, not seeing it, not seeing it. There we go. The last one. See, there's a S and there's a standard deviation of the population symbol. So what am I going to do? This is blue, so blue plus standard deviation of X, sample. Standard deviation of Y, sample. Standard deviation of X, population. Standard deviation of Y, population. So what do you want to use? Do you want to use the sample or do you want to use the population? Well, you guys are smart surveyors, so you know that surveyors use the sample size because we'll never truly measure the population. So SX sample of X 0.0046. Solved. But wait a minute. My answers are not in decimal degrees. My answers are in seconds. Convert from decimal degrees to hours, minutes, and seconds, and I have an answer of 0 degrees, 0 minutes, 17 seconds. Which one of these 4 are closest to my answer? No. 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 Pretty darn close. I'll take it. And you've just solved this problem in what? 2-3 minutes flat? And you're on your way to getting that exam pass score.